Hello, it's Julie with A Good Stir, and today I will be showing you how to make these delicious fried chicken tacos. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need, and they will also be listed in the description box. Start by mixing your spices in a small bowl. To a mixing bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of shredded chicken, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of salsa, and 1 cup of pepper jack cheese. Now you're going to add your spice mixture. Give it a good stir and mix it all together. To make the tortillas easier to work with, brush each of them with a little bit of oil. When you're done brushing all of them, heat them all in the microwave for about a minute. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of the chicken mixture onto a tortilla. You're going to place it on half of the tortilla. Then you will fold it in half and press it down. Repeat until you have finished all of the corn tortillas. On medium-high heat, add about 1/4 inch of avocado oil to your pan. Cook the tacos for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Transfer the tacos to a paper towel lined plate when they are done. Repeat until all the tacos are cooked. Now you can enjoy. Serve these delicious tacos with a side of guacamole, salsa, and sour cream, and they're sure to be a hit in your household. I hope you'll give them a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.